Hi, I hope that you will be fine. Today's video I will talk what is the typhoid fever. Typhoid fever basically is the intestine swelling of your body, mostly people having a chronic disease. So today's video I will talk why it is going to the chronic disease. Mostly people are having such a disease. Basically there are major two reasons behind this. Mostly people doing this. So that is the Spanish form of the chronic disease, that is the typhoid fever. The one is mostly people when having a fever, they realize that they having a fever, but they don't know that it is the condition and situation of typhoid fever and you are having swelling in your intestine. You go to the physician, also physician give you medicine to lower your temperature. For example, Panadol and other medicines to lower your temperature. But also they don't know what is the reason behind this, that you are having a disease that is called typhoid fever and you are facing intestine swelling. The second condition that applies and lies mostly people that are having a chronic disease, they know about this, that they are having a disease that is called typhoid fever. But for this treatment, they do a such condition. For example, a physician given you a medicine to use it 2 weeks, but after using 1 week, you realize that you are fine. And after this, you left it to take more medicines, but you don't know that what will be happen when you left it after using 1 week. But day by day your condition lies in the complexity form, but you don't know what will be happening with you. So that is the major reason that I have told to you, because the second condition that applies on your body, most people think that they are fine, but they don't know what will be happen to their self. So that is why they left it and don't take more medicines. Mostly medicines that has been given to treat the typhoid fever, that are antibiotic medicines. That means they destroy the bacteria that is called Salmonella. But after using 1 week, Salmonella destroying after day by day. After using 1 week, you left it the medicine using of medicines. That means after 1 week, what will be happen? Also in again form, Salmonella reactive and having a resistance their cells. For example, after 1 month, you start again to take more medicines that is called antibiotic, but that antibiotic having no curable for this disease, because in the opposition form a bacteria having a resistance. That means it is the complexity form of your body. There are main two major reasons behind this that I have told to you. I hope that this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me. And take care. Allah Hafiz.